Maybe a couple 59s up toward Hohenwald or so, mid-60s or so over North Alabama. Partly cloudy skies into the day. No big rain chances on the board, but maybe a stray thunder shower or two in the afternoon near and east of the I-65 corridor here from Murray and Marshall and Giles counties in Tennessee, Lincoln County, Tennessee, down through Limestone, Lawrence, Morgan, and Madison in Alabama. I think west of there, we're mainly dry for our Friday, dropping out of the 70s into the 60s tomorrow evening and eventually the mid-50s for overnight lows toward daybreak on Saturday. A stray shower maybe as far west as I-65 Saturday and Sunday. The vast majority of that is off to the east of us. A few stray showers possible Monday, Tuesday or so as some moisture wraps around the backside of an upper level low that will be spitting over the Appalachians. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, a lot of that locally is going to depend on how far west moisture comes around that upper low from the tropical system that may be impacting the Carolinas toward the middle of next week. And that's just not a question that we can answer just yet, but we may have to consider slightly bigger rain chances toward next Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or so. We just can't answer that question just yet. So the forecast for the second half of next week, that may waffle around a little bit. So just be aware of that. I don't expect big impacts locally in southern Tennessee or North Alabama. We just may have to up the shower chances just a little bit. Lower 80s the next few days, mid 80s to begin the week, and then the upper low likely to pull down cooler air into the area toward the second half of next week as well. Just get the first cup of coffee in the morning, partly cloudy skies to begin the day. The slightest chance of a stray thunder shower. Morning lows in the lower 60s, headed for near 80 by the afternoon. Slight chance of an isolated thunder shower near and east of I-65. Most of the showers Saturday and Sunday to the east of us, and then just stray spotty showers to start next week. And then the middle and latter part of next week, that's up in the air depending on what tropical moisture does off to our east and if it can make it as far west as our local area. We'll be watching that carefully. We will adjust the forecast as needed, so keep checking back. But I don't expect big impacts here locally in southern Tennessee, North Alabama. Just maybe a slight increase in the shower chances for the second half of next week. There's a look for the latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rawson is back in the Weather Center tomorrow morning live at 6 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.